Less than 5 months ago, we finally decided to stop talking about it and jump feet first on building our forever home. For a long time, this was a someday dream, and we're incredibly grateful that someday finally became now. So, unlike a lot of homesteaders who build everything from scratch, we decided to do something a little bit different. We went with a home building kit, and we decided to have it built into the dry. For us, this decision to have the kit built was an easy one. If you're new here, my name is Jamie, and I broke my neck in a farm accident 2 years ago. And Jesse, my husband, broke his back over 20 years ago in a parachute accident. Add in years of wear and tear from the military service, and we had to be honest with ourselves. This build needed to be smart, not stubborn. So this is our journey from the day that we signed our contract to the moment the walls stood, dried in, and ready for what comes next.
Every stone's a story, every scar's my glory. Planting new roots with every breath I take. I'm cutting down trees, making room for dreams. Dust in the wind, but I'm feeling clean. Old world behind, new life ahead. Swinging that axe where angels fear to tread. Taking down walls that stood in my way. Clearing the land for a brighter day. Clearing the way.
The first thing that we had to do was prepare the land. So clearing trees, moving earth, and making space for a future. We are incredibly thankful that we have an amazing friend with an excavator, so Jesse was able to get it done in just a few days. And then came 29 truckloads of dirt and clay, leveled, compacted, and ready.
And when we're drowning in doubt, just keep on believing. We are dreamers of the shore.
And then we waited, but we didn't wait nearly as long as we thought we were. We were told that they would begin building in early spring, and then suddenly we got the text. If you're ready, we're ready. 2 days later, the foundation was framed. We scrambled to find a plumber for the rough-in beneath the slab, and once that was finished, everything started rolling. Concrete poured, lumber delivered. A building crew arriving through the freezing temps, sleet, and even a few snow flurries. In less than 40 hours, the shell of our forever home stood tall. And that brings us to the end of 2025. the real work begins. 2026 will be the year that we slowly turn this house into a home. Plumbing, electrical, HVAC, insulation, drywall, floors, cabinets, every detail will be done by us at our pace and as our bodies allow. And we're grateful what has been done. We're humbled for how far we've come, and we're ready for the long road ahead because this is just the beginning.